Hi, why does Antony not call Caesar a king or a leader, but a bleeding piece of earth? This single phrase turns Caesar's murder into Rome's greatest crime. This line occurs in Act 3, Scene 1, immediately after Caesar's assassination. Antony enters, sees Caesar's corpse, and speaks not as a politician, but as a mourner and a master manipulator. The quote, "Oh, pardon me, thou bleeding piece of earth." What is the symbolism or the core explanation of this line? Bleeding symbolizes betrayal. Caesar is wounded not by the enemies but by friends. Blood is equal to Rome's moral guilt. Piece of earth. Caesar is reduced from the emperor that he was to just plain soil, symbolizing Rome itself is wounded by Caesar's assassination. The state has turned against its own foundation. What is the message that Antony wants to give? When Caesar dies, Rome bleeds. This is a metaphor. Caesar is not just a man. He becomes Rome itself. His death is political and moral collapse. Earth is also personified because it is bleeding, suggesting unnatural nature of the murder. And Antony speaks softly, humbly, preparing the crowd for emotional manipulation later. Irony. The conspirators claim to have saved Rome, but Antony shows how they have wounded it instead. This is Antony's strategy, which is very, very important. He does not accuse immediately. He first humanizes Caesar, and this line plants a silent doubt in the audience's mind, and this is the beginning of Antony's revenge. Caesar's blood does not cry for mercy, it cries for injustice. Use this line for questions on Antony's character, theme of betrayal, political manipulation. Thank you for watching.